Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's Michelle and let's talk about it. Today we will be looking at a product I just launched today, like about an hour and a half ago. It's called the Bright Fun Brandable ebook. It's an easy to use ebook template for printing or uploading online, and it has a fun design, and of course it's compatible with Canva and PowerPoint. Now this is a sales page. As usual, we're just going to go through it, pick out any points that we need to pay attention to, and then talk a little bit more and see what this can do for you. So basically it's a template in Canva and PowerPoint. It's easy to use, easy to change the text, the font, the colors. The ebook template comes in 300 DPI for printing, and you can save it in 100 DPI or less to add online for your opt-in freebie or products or services, whatever you're offering. Now, this is what it looks like on the inside. I do have a review copy, which I will show you in a little bit. It's just bigger, bolder, more actual as to what you will get. The file formats: Canva, PowerPoint, Editable, I'm sorry. Pages that are included: the ebook cover, the intro page, inside pages. They have 6 styles. The creator is Gabby Conde. You also have 4 styles for tips or steps pages, a worksheet, checklist, and about me and ready to get started page. She also offers an upgrade, which is called Done For You Branding. I have a full review in the description box below, which you can go and take a look as to what is being offered in this Done For You Branding. You also have access to free video training. Of course, I'm going to be very transparent with you. When I went to check out the training to see what it's like, they had only uploaded training for Canva. There was nothing there as yet for PowerPoint or any other kind of InDesign that they speak about in their offer. So you may want to check with support before you purchase to make sure that you have those available, especially if that is something you need. This is going to be a short review. Here we have it. This is the actual product itself. See, review copy. And it's really quite easy, nice, simple. Here you just put what you want to say for your introduction, and of course at each page there is your website, so you can actually start branding yourself that way on every page. The image holders are quite nice, cute, circular, and naturally the images that you will put will depend on your camera or whatever device you use to get your images. Make sure that they are crisp, can be seen. All in all, it's a simple ebook, for somebody who wants to just experience getting online easily, quickly, then this will do it for you. And basically that's it. It's a template. You have a list, a checklist, which you can add or not add. It's really kind of cute. It really is cute. And of course, you have to tell your audience who you are. So that comes in handy, of course. And there we have it. If you're selling a service, then this is the page for you, ready to get started. And that's about it for this. So it's nothing complicated. It really is a simple ebook. And you can use it for opting in, a little tongue twister, or just branding your products. So Gabby also offers a 100% money back guarantee. And like I said, the launch is today, the 10th of December. It launched at 6 a.m., $9.97. It's worth it. I won't split hairs about it. Just check the description box below, check out my review, make your decision, whatever you decide. I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching.